Well, guys, my name is Pure Deadboy, and if I cough in this video, the video ends. So in this video, we're gonna be Beyblading. You got this. Stay strong, Peter. You got this. You got this. This is no big deal. Okay. We're gonna be using this one. Space saving. Stay strong, Peter. I've been coughing a lot lately. You might have heard me cough in some of my videos. I can't even figure out why. And I'm also missing some of my Beyblades. Only probably like one. I don't know. Yeah. Anyways. Put that in. Ugh. Holmes coughed. Let it rip. Ah, I almost won that one. Since I was too lazy to show the camera, but camera around. There we go. There. It might be backwards. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know how to fix it, so. Let it rip. So far, so good, guys. Well, I guess the camera might not work. No, it might not work. I know. Let's put the Achilles so we can use Sport Battle. You know, it's really easy trying not to cough. You know, it's really hard not. It's really hard not to cough. You know, I know I don't have COVID. My throat is just rusty. I don't have COVID. Don't worry. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna cough. Trust me, guys. I can handle it. I can handle it. Use Wonder Valve trick. Stay strong. Stay strong. Come on, Achilles. Oh. Darn it. Kidding me. See, this is really easy. I don't know why I'm doing this as a challenge. This is just so simple. So simple, man. Come on, I can handle this. Got this. Heck yeah. Let's go. Oh. Silly me. I should do these type of challenges more often if I do this. The video ends, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. Okay, so. We're gonna be continuing Beyblade. Try not to cough. And we don't want to spread germs because it's part of COVID and we cannot spread the germs. I actually cough. You know. Here, let me practice. Oh, son of a